This is Jen from Buta. This is our Swiss 1010 self-adjusting roller bed exported overseas. It is mainly used for pressure vessel production lines. This set of rotators then features steel rulers. The size of the ruler is 1200 x 600. It has strong loading capacity and long service life. The machine uses a precision gearbox and brake motors. It runs more stable and provides accurate positioning. The equipment's movement speed is adjustable via variable frequency drive from 500 to 1500 millimeters per minute. It supports both wired and wireless remote control. The control box uses Siemens and Schneider electric components. It's also equipped with a PLC smart control system. The idle unit is equipped with 4 conductive looms. Compared with traditional single conductive looms, it provides better conductivity and more stable operations. This roller bed uses steel rulers and is suitable for large workpieces with diameters from 6 meters to 50 meters. The maximum working length can reach 1200 meters, meeting the rotation needs of super large workpieces. The equipment is mainly used in large-scale wind power, nuclear power, marine loading, pressure vessel, and other heavy industry fields. Follow us and learn more smart welding equipment. Bye bye!